Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatin Husnina binti Muhammad Nazri. My matrix number is H20A1514. Task 1. Show a correct way to cloth a table. First, check the table for steadiness and stabilize the table if it is not stable. And then, stand centrally between two legs of the table, like that. This is from the front side look. Okay, next, position the folded cloth on the table with the two woven edge towards the body. And then, release the bottom layer of the cloth to hang over the far edge of the table. Can you see that? Make sure you pick the tablecloth layer correctly to make sure they are neat and nice. Okay, now you can laying the tablecloth. Reposition and center the cloth. Ensure cloth is positioned with an equal drop all around, with the fold of the cloth covering the legs. Now this is from the side look. With the same situation, position the folded clothes on the table with the two woven edge towards you. Lean across the table and release the bottom layer of the cloth to hang over the far edge of the table. Here you can see how I pick the layer of the tablecloth. And laying the tablecloth neatly. Reposition and center the cloth. And lastly, ensure cloth is positioned with an equal drop all around, with the fold of the cloth covering the legs. Here, this is how the tablecloth look like. Laying the overlay. What is an overlay? Overlay is a piece of linen to cover a clean tablecloth and to be laid over the tablecloth to enhance the table setting and ambience. Firstly, stand at one corner of the table and then place the overlay which has been folded at the opposite corner of the table. Make sure the vertical center crease of the overlay is positioned across the table. Reposition the overlay. Make sure all the corners of the overlay are positioned with an equal drop all around the table. This is how the tablecloth and the overlay looks like. This is how to cloth a table. Task 2. Prepare a cover for table dot. Set tables for particular point of view. I put the decoration at the center of the table. Set flatware in a straight line using thumb regardless of table shape. Then, place the dinner plate at the middle of the table just like the figure above. And also, place the baby plate at the left side of the table. Place the table knife on the right side of the dinner plate. Next, put the fish knife beside the table knife. Next, place the soup spoon beside the fish knife. Place the table fork and appetizer fork on left side of the dinner plate. And then put the BB knife on the BB plate. After that, put the dessert fork and dessert spoon where the dessert fork are heading towards right and the dessert spoon are heading towards left side. So it will look like this. For the glassware, firstly put the water goblet. And then put white wine glass beside water goblet. And then place red wine glass beside white wine glass. And lastly, put dessert wine beside red wine glass. I also put salt and pepper. And lastly, I put the napkin. Task 3. Prepare a cover for a la carte. What is a la carte cover? An a la carte menu features offers a variety of dishes individually priced. Second, the guests then select the dishes they would like from the menu given. Third, the basic a la carte cover is that the cover usually set when the guests have a wide choice also provides the basic equipment needed for the meal. This is the procedure to setting table for a la carte. First, put the dinner plate middle of the table just like the video above. And then, put the BB plate on the left side of the dinner plate. Next, put the table knife on the right side of the dinner plate, followed by putting the table fork on the right side of the dinner plate. And then put the BB knife on the BB plate. And lastly, place the water goblet.